Hello, I am Naresh. In this video, we are going to discuss how to create a team in Opsgenie and how to add members to the team and how to check the activity stream which was happening in the team and how to create the on-call schedule in a particular team. So, to create a team, first of all, we need to go to the Teams tab. There you can see the option Add Team. So you can only see this option if there is no single team present in the Opsgenie. In fact, this is a new Opsgenie account and you can see that your trial will expire in 13 days. And currently, and if you click here, you can see the plan also. See here, you are currently on Essential Trial. So our account is on Essential Trial. The trial ends in 13 days. So there is no team here. I am going to create a new team here. So for that, you just click on Add Team and give the name of the team. So Dev is the name of the team, and you can add the members of the team from here. So let me add a member to the team. So GN is the user of the team. So I'm adding him. Okay. So yes. So this is the user interface what you can see after the team creation. So if you see the sidebar, you are having the options for on-call, integrations, services, members, and activity stream. So if you click on activity stream, you can check the activity which has happened till now in this team. So far, G Naresh created team dev. Okay, so now I'll go and add another user as a member. So before adding the member to the team, first of all, I'll invite him to our Opsgenie account. To add a new user to the account, so we must go to the settings. There you can see the user management tab. And if you click user management, here you can have option invite user. So I am going to invite a user to our team. Let me add the email ID of the member. So this is the email ID of the member and he's going to be a user for our account. So he's a user. So you can give the group membership also. Currently I am granting access to him. So just I am checking the users group only. Okay. Now I'm clicking on invite user. Okay. Success. One user is successfully added to the organization. So this is our new user. Now I am going back to the teams section. So yes, this is the teams. Here I am clicking on dev team and clicking on members. Now adding member. So our new member is Rajesh. So let's check him. Add. So now we are having two members in the team. So myself, G Naresh. So I'll add myself also to the team. Yes, G Naresh. Add. So and myself admin for the team. Okay, GN and Rajesh are users for the team and myself admin. So I am the team admin. So be cautious about user roles in the Opsgenie account and don't get confused. So actually we are currently in a team, therefore, so admin means team admin. Okay, so this admin can add a new member to the team and he can add some changes or he can do changes in on-call schedule also. So this admin is responsible for doing changes in this team only. He is not admin for entire Opsgenie account as of now. Okay. So yeah, actually, next. So yeah, if you click on activity stream now, you can see some activity has happened now. So you can see that G Naresh added team member to the dev, added a team member to dev, added team member to dev. So you can check the recent activity which has happened in the team in the activity streams section. So if you want to add a new member, you can add here. But the normal users cannot add members to the team. Only the admin of the team can add members to the team. So in fact, myself, I am G Naresh. I am the owner of this account. Thereby, I am able to add this Rajesh and GN also. Okay. So you may have doubt. So actually, Gina, this is the user added, last in the sequence. So therefore, you may get confused. Actually, myself, owner of the account, that's why I can add any user to the any team. Okay, and this is about members section, and you can give admin access to anyone. If you want him to act as a backup for you, you can check this admin in the role. So, and coming to the on call, so here you can see that this on call page has routing rules, escalation policies, and on-call schedules. Okay, so I'll try to prepare on-call schedule first. Okay, so let me delete this rotation as of now. So I am the admin of the team. So I'll add the people to the rotation. Suppose I am giving the participants GN. So if you add GN as a participant, and next check if you add Rajesh also. uh, Rajesh. So this is a on-call rotation type schedule. See, this is a rotation. uh, the first the schedule is for GN, and thereafter Rajesh, next GN, next Rajesh. This is a type of rotation. So if you want to change uh, this time region also, you can do that. So to do that, you just click on this edit button and you can change the time zone. Suppose if you want to change Eastern time, you can do that. So Eastern time US Canada, you can choose and update, and the entire schedule will work according to this time zone. So currently the time zone is IST Kolkata. If you want to change, you can change by clicking on this pencil button. And you can disable on-call schedule. So here you can see the calendar. Here you can export the team schedule, and you can clone the schedule also. And if you want, you can delete the schedule. So, and suppose if you don't want this rotation type, if you want to notify everyone of your team, so whenever any alert comes to your team and you want to notify each and every person of your team, then this rotation doesn't help you. You need something like this one. Suppose this rotation is for GN. Let me remove this. And actually, the rotation is type daily and starts on Monday and restricts to time intervals. And time of the day is something like morning. Uh, Let me choose 10. uh, to tend to let me do something like sorry uh, this 10 to 8. So so yeah, the rotation type is daily, and if you see the restrict to time interval, this is time of day. So start time is 10 and end time is 8. So each and every day, so the on call starts at 10 in the morning, ends 8 in the evening. So this is 12th and this is 13th. So GN is on call on each day from 10 to 8. So this is, let me update this. Okay. So now I want to clone this schedule with let me clone this rotation. Let me remove this and add purchase and clone it. So my dev team, see here, is on call from 10 to 8, and each and every person of my team will get a notification, okay, whenever an alert comes to my team. So this is a use case for me. So this is the dev schedule. And let me add one more schedule, add a schedule, and this is managers managers schedule, managers schedule, and IST Kolkata is the timing. And let me add a rotation, and this is managers, and currently I'm the manager for my team. So let me choose my name and restrict to time intervals, and our on call starts 10 in the morning, ends 8 in the evening. So let me choose 8. So this is my on call schedule, and yes. So yes, right now I have scheduled on call for my team and on call for me. So let me go to escalation policy now. See here, dev escalation. So after 0 minutes of alert creation, okay, on call uses in dev schedule if not acknowledged. Let me edit this. See here, if alert is not acknowledged, then immediately notify on call users in dev schedule. So what does it mean? So whenever alert comes to our queue, that is our dev queue, what happens is it will notify on-call users in the dev schedule. And if alert is not acknowledged 10 minutes after creation, so even though after 10 minutes, if nobody if nobody acknowledges the alert, then Opsgenie notifies all members of dev. So this is what we are seeing right now. I'll go and edit this. So I'll edit this and not notify all members of team. What I do is notify on-call users in schedule, and I will choose manager schedule. Save it and update it. So now what happens? So if alert comes to the dev team, and if no one of my team acknowledges the alert after 10 minutes, then the alert will be escalated to me because I am in the manager's schedule. So this is the escalation policy. Okay. So this routing rule, see, route alerts to dev escalation. So whenever the alert comes to the dev team, that alert route to dev escalation policy. The dev escalation policy works on these two principles, and according to that, the alert will be notified to on-call people of this dev schedule. If no one picks it up and acknowledges the alert, then the alert will be escalated to the people in the manager's schedule. Okay, so after 10 minutes, after 10 minutes, if no one of my team acknowledges the alert will be escalated to people in the manager's schedule. Okay, on-call users in the manager's schedule. So this is the escalation policy and routing rule. Okay, uh, so that's it. And in coming videos, we can see how to add a routing rule and what is the purpose of this routing rule, and we'll see some use cases also. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe to our channel, and if you have any doubts, you can leave a comment. Thank you.